What's up? Well, we're gonna take the clutch cover off and see what that belt and that clutch looks like. Hopefully I don't have any issues, but we will see. Alright guys, I'll show you what this looks like. I don't think it looks bad, but I really don't know what I'm looking for, but the belt doesn't seem to be all that bad. It's got a little bit of wear on the side, but that's to be expected. And I don't see any cracks or anything. But again, I don't know exactly what I'm looking at or what I'm looking for, especially on the 900s. I've seen plenty of posts about cracks and, you know, worn belts and everything on the 1000s and the turbos, but I don't know. To me, it looks all right. Even the belt looks okay with everything I did, all the towing and everything I did last weekend. The belt doesn't really look that bad either. But you guys tell me.